Hi everyone, it's me Michael from MDO Video. I want to show y'all here what I made. This here is a air conditioning wiring diagram. Let me plug it in and show y'all what I mean. It's pretty interesting. So basically, what we've got here, okay, we've got a disconnect. This is a air conditioner disconnect. And then we got a white and a black that come out of our L1, L2 and come into a contactor. Then from our contactor we got a white and a black that come up to our 24-volt transformer. And a red and a green that connect to a white and a black. The black goes to the contactor coil and the white goes back around. And I've got the white and the blue connected. Now, let me show y'all. There is a little bit of a problem though. The voltage reading is a little bit low. $117.6 volts I'm getting. Normally I should be getting 120. But it works, so there's no problem. Okay. So that's that. Now, normally you have a thermostat and a fan motor. I have a switch, just a regular switch that simulates a thermostat with two pieces of metal. Now, when I close this switch, that click you heard was the contactor. Okay? Basically, there are two blue wires that go up to the light. Now, there is another switch here, and there's this. Now, when I close this is the low voltage connection right here. That when I complete this low voltage connection, it does something to the coil in this contactor that closes the high voltage connections. So watch. You hear that? The light's on. I turn it off. And that's it. It's very, very interesting. And then I have a disconnect. See? Now this disconnect here I don't usually use, but you can. And I have it wired for 120 instead of 240. But basically, this is basically the basic principle of how it works. Now let me show you something else. What the heck did I do with it? Let me put a drywall screw in here. And this is only 24 volts, so but basically this contactor is pretty amazing. But there are two blue wires now, okay? And let me see here. Yeah, there's two blue wires. So when I close, one of these blue wires is connected to the neutral. So when I do this here, it closes the contactor. That's the contactor. This is simulating the thermostat. And that's it. I hope y'all liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And have a nice day.